So guys, our magic solution has already settled. So I'm going to apply on my hair, on my scalp and on my hair and until the ends of my hair. So watch me do it, and please subscribe to my channel. Don't miss some recipes like this. So like, share and comment. Tell your friends to subscribe to my channel and for more recipes like this. So watch me apply to my hair. Subscribe to join my I'm going to apply. So my hairspray has broken down. Why? So I have to find another one. This is how you apply it at your scalp, then you massage like this and up to the ends of my hair. By the way, my hair was very weak. I've been using this solution for about a month now. I've seen some changes on my hair. So my scalp and my hair ends here. So I'll keep applying to my hair like this. Massage the scalp. So I just do it like this. Then I'll use this to detangle my hair. Please subscribe to my channel, support me guys. I'm begging you in the name of God to subscribe to my channel. Let's get our way, get along, and please comment down below. I'll be coming with another recipe soon in my next video, so stay tuned. So if you're not subscribing, I think you'll miss the video, and I don't want you to miss any kind of video from me. So my hair is all wet and it's good to go. So apply this magic solution of cloves and ginger water. I normally apply for three days a week, so you can take a 3 day a week or 2 days per week. It depends on you. So for me, I do it 3 days per week. And look at my hair. My hair was so thin and weak, and for now I can see changes on my hair. So I'm not going to rinse off, and do not rinse because the hair is on the absorbing stage, so it should absorb it, enter into the scalp like that, and you're done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you like it, and please subscribe, turn that notification bell so that whenever I post any kind of video, you'll get notified. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. I love you. I'll see you in my next video.